In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password as well as set up dual factor on your account through the UW Superior login portal. So you'll want to be on the main UWS webpage, and you'll want to select Campus Logins located at the top of the webpage. Then select UW Superior login portal. Now that you're on the UW Superior login portal page, there are a few options you can choose. If you've already set up your account, go ahead and type your username and password in and click Login. If you're changing your password on an account you've already set up, then click Change Password. If you're new and you're creating your account for the first time, or you've forgotten your password, select New Forgot Password. We're going to go ahead and select this option. All right, then go ahead and type your username in. Then press Continue. Now, if you're setting your account up for the very first time, select the 4 challenge answers type. Make sure that this is selected and then press Continue. All right, go ahead and answer these 4 questions, and then you'll want to press Continue after this. If you're unsure of what your 7-digit university ID is, go ahead and check your acceptance letter or the letter that the Human Resources Office has given you. All right, now you can go ahead and create your password. You have to make sure that it is at least 12 characters long. It has to have any of the following rules. It needs to at least have 1 lowercase character, 1 uppercase character, 1 number, or a special character. So you just need to choose 3 out of the 4. But if you want to choose all 4 of them in your password, you can go right ahead and do that. Okay, so I successfully reset my password. So now that you're done with that, continue to set up your account. So click on this link. Now you will need to set up dual factor on your account. Dual factor is when you sign into your account, it will require you to have an extra layer of security when signing in. So we require a one-time passcode. This one-time passcode can be sent to your phone, your alternate email, or a mobile authenticator. So when you sign into your account through eHive, email, or Canvas, you may be required to provide it a one-time passcode. So I want to set up dual factor on my phone and my email, and I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So I want it to be on my phone. So I'm going to type in my phone number. Okay, and then press Continue. All right, so now that you're setting up your phone, a one-time passcode was sent to my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and retrieve that. All right, and this is my one-time passcode to set this up. And then I'm going to press Continue. Great, so that was set up on your account. Click here to continue. And go ahead and press Accept. All right, now I'm on my account management page. I already set my cell phone up, and here it is. But you can also set up an alternate email address, so Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, whatever you choose, just in case you don't have your cell phone on you. I'm going to go ahead and set that up. And press Continue. All right, so then a one-time passcode was sent to your alternate email address. So I'm going to go ahead and retrieve that. Okay, I got the one-time passcode. And I'm going to go ahead and submit that. Press Continue. Great, so then that was enrolled successfully. You'll want to refresh the page. Okay, so we refresh the page. So I set up my phone because I want my phone to be my main way I receive my one-time passcodes when I sign into my account. But I also set up my email address just in case I don't have my phone on me. All right, so then you'll want to click on multi-factor delivery methods. Okay, so we already set up our phone and that's going to be our main method. But if you ever want to change it, you can go ahead and click change and click it from email to phone. You'll never want to pick the help desk option because we're only open a limited time every single day and we're not open on weekends. So this is why we want dual factor set up on our phone so we can instantaneously sign into our account. So if you ever want to change it, you can click on multi-factor delivery methods. All right, and then that is the end of this video on how to set up your account and to set up dual factor on your account. If you ever have any questions, you can contact the Technology Help Desk.